Hi guys, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and thank you for tuning in for this week's Tips and Tricks install video. Now, today's video, we are going to address a question that we get quite often, and that is, when will Inaba Denko America start making long radius 90s? And the truth of the matter is, we already have very versatile long radius solutions available, and they come in the form of our SF Flexible Ell. So today's video, we're going to look at a few key features of the Flexible Ell. We'll see just how it stands up against the competition's standard long radius 90, and we'll even install one just to see how versatile it really is. So let's dive right in. Now, first off, I'd like to point out that the SF Flexible Ell is available in all three sizes, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5 5/8, and you can get it in every color. Okay, so there is a flexible elbow out there for every application. All right. Secondly, you'll notice that all of our flexible elbows have what we call an end cuff on both sides, and it's about 3.5 inches in depth. Right. Now, depending on the size of the Flexible Ell, you're going to have either 1, 2, or 3 indents on the bottom. And if I grab a base to the slim duct here, you'll see that we've got 3 rails right here. And those indents are meant to straddle those rails and conform to the inside of your slim duct itself. So what I'll do, I'm going to grab our 4-inch Flexible Ell here, and our slim duct is already mounted. What I like to do is either start from the left or the right, because these do fit quite snug, okay? Once it's started, I'm in 1/4 inch and it's hanging on. We're gonna slide it all the way in, and that's it, we're done. Because of the shape and the depth of our end cuff, there's no additional hardware needed. I can grab the bottom of this and put it right where I want it, and we're done. Now, above and beyond that, because of the design of the Flexible Ell, I'm not limited to where that radius can be. Right now, it's a pretty even 90 radius, but maybe our slim duct is lower and I want a different design. I can go straight towards the back and put the radius closer to the bottom. Or I can go straight here and put the radius towards the back, okay? Some contractors will go as far as cutting this end cuff off and using the Flexible Ell, because it's flexible both ways, to cover the line set all the way back to the service port, okay? They like that because you can cut your Flexible Ell right down the middle. Once you're done pressure testing, you can actually slide it over and then slide it in and just put a zip tie at the bottom. This fitting is so versatile. There's another video on applications that you can accomplish with just the flexible elbow, okay? Now, our competitors, long radius 90, it's certainly a longer sweep, a longer radius, but outside that, there's really no change to the workability in this product. I encourage you, as always, check out our full product offering at inabadenko-america.com, and please follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to interact with you. We love to answer your questions, address your concerns like we did here today. And if you found the video helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up. We look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.